Hey, what's up everyone? Today I'm going to show you how to film a 4K video on your iPhone, like what you're watching right now, how to edit it, and how to upload it to YouTube totally free.
First thing you want to do is hit your camera app, switch over to video, and then in the top right you see the 4K or HD, switch that to 4K, and the number is your frames per second. You want to switch that to 30. Once you've taken your video, you want to plug in your iPhone, make sure you hit trust this computer, and then you're going to go to File Explorer, open two windows of this, and then you're going to go to Apple iPhone, internal storage, DCIM, go all the way down to your most recent folder, and you should see your videos in here. I like to do view extra large icons, and then you can scroll down to the bottom. See, this is the video I want to transfer over, so I'm going to open to where I want to transfer to my computer, and I'm going to drag that over, and that's that for getting it onto the computer. From there, you want to download Capcut. I'll have a link in the description. Open up Capcut and you'll see this new project button. You want to click that and then import on the left. Click the clip you want to bring in and then drag it down to your timeline and you can start editing. I'll give you just a quick demo of what editing on this is like. There's plenty of videos out there if you want a more in-depth guide. You drag all the clips you want down into the timeline. What you can add little stickers on here, animations to, like in this case, I've got it pointing down towards where I'm going to click the camera icon and then where I'm going to click the 4K up here. But you're basically dragging your clips around on the timeline, shortening them as you need to, lengthening them as you need to. You can split clips. If you click on it, move your cursor where you want to split it, and then you can actually not right click. You can use, I got it hidden, you can use this split button right here, and then now you can move this clip, you can delete this clip. So it's really powerful, lightweight application, and the best part is it's totally free. Once you're finished editing your video, it's time to export it into a 4K file that you can upload directly to YouTube. So in the top right, you're going to click export. Make sure your resolution set to 4K, and all the other settings you leave at their default. 30 FPS is how we set on the iPhone, so we want to leave that as well. And then you click export, and next I'll show you how to upload it to YouTube. Finish exporting, it gives you this convenient button right here that takes you straight to YouTube. From there, you can just select your file, hit open, and there you go. You have now uploaded a 4K video from your iPhone to YouTube, edited for totally free. If you like this kind of content, hit the subscribe button, and I hope you got some good information out of this video. See you next time. And I know I need a new mic. That'll be the next thing I'm buying.